Benq launches new PDUA series monitors in India. Benq has launched the new PDUA monitors as part of its professional range in India. This includes 3 new monitors, the PD2705UA, the PD2706UA, and the PD3205UA. Benq PDUA monitors, specs and features. The Benq PD2705UA and the PD2706UA come with a 27-inch 4K display, while the PD3205UA has a bigger 31.5-inch screen. All monitors support a 100% rake .709 and 99% sRGB color gamut, and HDR10, with VESA display HDR400. The displays are Kalman verified and Pantone and skin tone validated too. There's support for the AQCOLOR technology for enhanced colors. It supports Delta A is less than or equal to 3 for color accuracy. The displays are TÜV Rheinland certified. The monitors feature the new ergo arm, which can swivel, tilt, pivot, and adjust the height as per the need. The anti-glare monitors have support for various modes, including PIP, picture-in-picture, PBP, picture-by-picture, dual-view, CAD, CAM, animation, and A-paper, among other things. The new Benq PDUA series has support for up to 90W USB Type-C, DisplayPort, and HDMI 2.0. There's the built-in KVM, keyboard, video, mouse, switch feature, which allows users to use a mouse and a keyboard for 2 systems. There's the inclusion of Benq's hotkey G2 that allows access to functions like brightness, contrast, volume levels, and more with a simple click. Benq's Display Pilot provides easy access to keyboard shortcuts for on-screen adjustments. Price and availability. The Benq PD2705UA is priced at 47,500 rupees, the PD2706UA at 49,990 rupees, and the PD3205UA at 59,990 rupees.